What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. In this video, we'll zoom into Ethereum a little bit more, look at the technicals, see if we can be optimistic or not. Oh wow, all right, can I move this as well? Yeah. If you look at the short term, it looks quite bearish, of course, but there are some things to be bullish about. So we'll talk about that, but of course we'll also talk about the general market fundamentals and the general economic fundamentals. And with that being said, I have to look up the DXY, or the US dollar index, which is still very bearish, which is good for crypto, but it's still, I mean, we've been talking about that for like a week now. It's still that the market is very fearful about everything that happened with FTX, but also everything that's still to come, right? Because there are still things going on. There's still other companies maybe falling, or at least other companies in problems. So that's bearish for crypto. That's also bearish for Ethereum, therefore, because it's one of the one of the biggest, like, really trendsetters. If Ethereum is bullish, the market is quite bullish as well, like we saw with the merge coming up and stuff. But yeah, so what I wanted to do, I mean, the DXY is rising. It's at least stabilizing, which is bad for crypto, because a strong US dollar means a weaker crypto market in general. Apart from that, there are no big fundamentals coming up, and purely, I mean, if you take a look at the entire economic picture, it's actually quite bullish for crypto, but it's really just the fear and stuff that's causing us to drop down. You can see on the 4-hour time frame that arguably there's still quite a lot of bearish momentum for Ethereum. We're making lower highs actually, but on the other hand, we're also making higher lows. So what you get is some sort of a symmetrical or some sort of a triangle in market structure. We're not going to use that. I think there are more valuable things to look at, but you could see it as that. If we then zoom into the 1-hour time frame, which is what I wanted to do, what I said yesterday is that well, most of the times this support level between 1200 and 1190 is our strongest support that almost never breaks, and a good signal of how much bearish momentum there was is that yesterday we actually broke through that quite a couple of times. We didn't really necessarily close below that. Not significantly at least, but we did try. So what I said is that, well, if we are going to break above that or break below that, we need to break above it immediately after again, which is what we did. So that's some reason to be positive about. It's very, or it would have been very easy to like for Ethereum to just drop down through, but what we did, and what you can see on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, it's still a little bit unclear. Because we just found resistance at that 28 EMA, that blue line, and we're dropping. On the 1 hour though, you can see that we're kind of gaining back some bullish momentum. So that's also what I expect for Ethereum. There's no reason fundamentally for why this would need to happen, but technically it looks like we are going to be able, excuse me, able to stay on top of 1200. And I also expect that in the weekend, I mean, volumes will drop. But I do expect that we can recover a little bit more towards like 1250, maybe in the best case scenario up to 1275. But like breaking out of this, I guess we could call it a consolidation between 1190 and 1300. It's way too early to talk about that. But some point in the future, if the economic fundamentals remain the same, that might happen. But obviously, I will cover that with my daily Ethereum analysis. But for now, that's my take on Ethereum for today. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care. I'm interested to know what you think Ethereum is going to be, or what Ethereum is going to do. So let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care. Bye.